Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to get free video recorder app with manual control developed by Apple for iPhone smartphone. So without further more delay, let's begin. So as we all know that the default camera application by Apple does not have any manual control. So in order to get free recorder app with manual control developed by Apple, what you need to do is just open the App Store and now just search for Final Cut Camera, and now you'll see your Final Cut Camera. Just click on it. Now just click on Get or Install. So once the installation is done, just click on Open. So on opening, it will ask you some permissions. Just click on Continue. Click on Continue again. Click on Allow. Click on Allow again. Now click on Continue. So now it will show you some suggestion. So now below you can see here, you can manually control the respective options. Like this is the zooming option. Next to it is a white balance. So you can manually increase or decrease the white balance as well, or you can set it to auto also depending upon your needs. And next is a exposure, as you can see here, and next is a focusing option, and you can lock or unlock the rotation. So you can see here, you can rotate and lock in the left, you can rotate and lock in the right, or you can lock it in the portrait. So it has this much of options below, and on the above you will see here the audio metering level, as you can see, and above you will see here settings option. So under the settings option you can select different audio codecs depending upon your needs, and you can select the format size, stabilization, mirror front camera, time code, tons of options. So you can click on the tools also, so you will get more options under the tools. And next to it is an audio option, so you can select the device audio, or if you connect it to the external microphone then you can use it also. And here you can see the resolutions and formats, and on the left side you will see here one button again. Just click on it, and here you can do a live multicam also to record. So it has tons of options. So by using this cool application named as Final Cut Camera, you can easily get free video recorder app with manual control developed by Apple for iPhone smartphone. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.